Hi, this is Linton Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Kia Sportage, stock number 7276. It's from the second 2014 and attempt 2015. It's a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory mag tyre, left hand door mirror, front bonnet, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory mag tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mag tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory mag tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,